If you're looking for a home in Cape Coral, Florida, and you want to see a home that's more modern, more updated, this home is for you. It's 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,800 square feet, sits in Cape Coral, Florida, more on the west side of Cape Coral.
Not in a flat zone.
Listen, watch this video till the end. Let me know what you think about this property in the comments below as well. And if you know anybody who wants to buy a property here in Cape Coral, Florida, this home could be theirs. So let's make this house for someone's home. All right, let me show you around. Let me tell you all about this property from A to Z. All I know, I will share it with you guys. So stay tuned till the end and let's roll. As you always know, before I do any showing, before I tell anything to you guys, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Alex Petrov. I'm one of the local real estate agents here in Southwest Florida. So if you have any questions about real estate, want to buy something here, sell something here, give me a call, get my calendar. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you got. And there's a link in my bio. There's also, you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, any other platforms as well, and on Google as well. So just look it up, Alex Petrov, Florida Realtor, and I'll be there. All right, enough of me talking. Let me do more showing and show you this beautiful, beautiful property being upgraded, and I'll tell you everything in this video. Let's go. Here you go, guys. This is the property. It is a little bit windy out here right now. Yeah, this is, I was in an open house today. Property around it. I always like to show the streets so people know where they're moving to. Yep, and that is me as a listing agent. Yep. Okay, let's go. Beautiful entry, guys. Nicely done, painted. Nice front. And as you come in, it is nice vaulted ceiling. Guys, this is under $360,000 here in West Cape Coral, you can say, and it's not a flood zone. What do you guys think about this nice fireplace and this beautiful shelf? The work done is beautifully. Yep, you can see it as well. New floors. All right, that's a master right there on the right side. Your little dining room right here, in a way you can say. Then your kitchen. Look at this. It's like waterfall. Navy blue here touched beautifully done. Quartz and this floating shelves as well. You can see it's beautifully done. Nice touch. New appliances, guys. And you get to see through the window. Through the window, yeah. Who knows the sun come below? What song was that? Yeah. Yeah, so it's beautiful. New appliances, got a dishwasher. Now here you have a laundry here, in-house. Not in the garage, but in-house. Yes, it's missing the cover. I know, you guys are gonna comment below, hey, it's missing a cover, you missed it. No, you didn't, I know it. All right, you got a shelf here as well too, and you got a sink. Guys, sink. Nice, 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 nice. Let's go see garage. Garage will be a mess. Come on, as always, garage is a mess if you're contractor, right? You still have some stuff left in the garage. Yeah, that's a, let's see. Well, that's a garage. And the cool thing about it, you do have a door to go outside as well. Let's go see what else it has to offer. Kitchen, come in, bring your grocery. We do have a little pantry here as well. Oh, there's my stick. Yeah. All right, cool. Let's go to a master. Let's see what the master has to offer. But we can't miss this. Lanai is screened in as well. So you can have your barbecue out here, and you do have a bathroom. If you decide to put a pool out there, jacuzzi, you do have a bathroom. They can just go whoop, come in, come out as well. Really cool. If you have kids, they'll play outside. Use the bathroom there as well. Let's go to a master. Master suite. It's pretty spacious, pretty huge. I'm standing right now in the corner of it, so definitely king bedroom will fit here, and there's a chair here as well to eat very easy. Let's go to the master bedroom, a bath. I have double vanity here as well. Newer cabinets, new mirrors, new lights. Yeah, it's beautifully. have now a shower, and you have a tub here as well, a bathroom. On top of that, you have a walk-in closet. Look at that, sweet walk-in closet. And the window. What do you guys think about this window, right? If you have a tub here, and boom, you got a window next to it. I don't know how I feel about that. That'd be a little bit strange. Very spacious bathroom here, guys. I would say pretty big. Let me see if I can zoom out. Yeah, here you go. Yay. Left up here, coming out, going back. Let's go check it out. Other rooms as well. Again, we have a kitchen. Watch out for this. Those hard tool guys. Watch out. I hit it already today one time. So you do have one more closet here, like your towels, you can say. Let me see. Open this up. Yep. For your towels or blankets, whatever you want to do. If you have sleepovers, now you have a bathroom, gas bathroom right here. Just come in there. It's pretty nice. Yeah. Yep, nice vanity as well. Shower. Nice. All right, as you're coming out, you do have room number 2. It's pretty spacious. This one has a new window as well, in-back window. Go outside. There's avocado tree, yay. Okay, so yeah, nice room. Again, you have new lights here, guys, as well. New doors, new casing, new floor as well. Under 1,800 square feet, new cabinets, new countertops. Room number 2. Let's come in here as well. It's a little bit smaller than the other room. So, okay. We have a closet here too as well. So new doors, like I mentioned before. Freshly painted. Yeah, what do you guys think about this property? What stand out to you guys? What do you guys liked about this property? What you guys didn't like about this property? Definitely hear your opinion. I mean, definitely, this is nice. Both the ceilings, but this fireplace is amazing. Let me get a little bit closer to you guys. It's beautiful. Very awesome. You can change the colors. You might say, hey, you live in Florida, why do you need a fireplace? For the look, guys, if we're around Christmas time, that's a perfect opportunity to sit here and enjoy Christmas. All right, so that's it for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Let me know what you think. Roof is 7 years old as well. It's gonna be pretty good. AC definitely needs some replacing to be done, that's for sure. But overall, no flood zone. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. You do have a lanai, screened-in lanai as well. Updated kitchen, so all you have to worry is just about the AC. So now you've seen this house, so let me know what you think about this specific property. If you like this property now, what was your thinking process when you you're watching this video? What defects did you notice? What things that you like? What maybe things, the highlights of this property? Like, you know what? I love that, and I want to see that in my property as well. I want to see that in my next house. So comment below. I want to know your opinion about it as well. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel, and I hope you go check out my other videos as well, where I talk about restaurants, talk about different cities here in South Florida. Obviously, I don't know what's going on in New York. I only know what's going on here. But anyway, guys, thank you so much again. I appreciate it. It's been a pleasure to show you guys. It's been a pleasure for producing all this video for every single one of you guys. So hopefully I see you guys in the next video. God bless. Peace.